Well, as you can see, I did strap the hot water heater down, but we got a filing cabinet, and I guess it would fit there. So we're gonna undo the strap to give the filing cabinet a new home. I'm glad the sound was a YouTube thing. I was really worried. I'm not even gonna lie. I was kind of concerned, but a lot of you did confirm that y'all had issues on other videos, so makes me feel a smidge better. Oh yeah, this thing right here don't even want to close. Okay, well, I could take the drawers out, but keeping it compact is kind of the goal. Man, 2 workouts this early. Being that the drawers don't want to stay open, I'm gonna put the drawers towards the hot water heater. I would normally use them to put smalls in, but I don't need them coming open while I'm driving down the road. Why are you in the way again? You're gonna be that way, aren't you? Yeah, you're going in the filing cabinet. Okay. So, nice addition already. Get our strap pulled again and we'll keep on going. If we have nothing but bigs, I mean, we'll fill up fast, but it will look good though. Got us a tire. It's another Steely. Ooh. So we'll take it though. And over. Good weight. We got our first dig pile already. One of those. One of these. There's a lot to kind of process here, isn't there? We got a chair, I see that. Shoes. This is a boxes. Sorry, I'm just kind of looking as we're going here. We got a fan. We'll go on the back side of the pile too. Empty. So the chair we're gonna get, yeah, it really kind of looks like just a bunch of boxes, doesn't it? Like, I mean, oh well, I mean, we got a few things. Got this box that seems to have wire. That's coax though. No, there's wire down in there too. Let's continue with the dig in this. Temperature is supposed to be still over 100. Next week, I think the regular temperature is supposed to be 100, and the heat indices is, well, of course, not going to be great, but we'll make it. This time of year, it's just hot. I mean, is there really anything else to say about it? God, this is taking forever. Sorry. Okay. Success, now we can dig. So it does have intermixing stuff here. We want this, we do not want the coax. Preferably. That's coax 2. That's coax 3. Come on. this power cable. It's just a lot of coax. I mean, yeah, it's got a little wire mixed in with it, but to be fair, it's not a lot. Next video, we'll call that good enough. Some people actually, some scrap yards accept coax, not for wire, but for steel. Mine does not. They, I think they're aware that all the weight is on the outside coating or sheathing. I think they're aware of that pretty easily, so it's actually got some weight to it. It's still all just paper. D-drive. These are, I think, brass. I can't remember. I have to. I'll take a grinder to them and we'll figure out what they are. A little piece of metal. Yeah, these are all boxes through here. Let's pop some fan blades and I guess we'll go about our business. I still got the microwave tear apart from yesterday. I forgot it was on there, to be honest. We're back. Y'all about to see me rip a TV apart real quick. Had to make sure I had battery. Sometimes it just eludes you. My cutters. Where did I put them at? This is gonna be one of those piles I'm gonna walk around before we head out this morning. But all right. Okay, so if you are tearing these apart, this is how I do it. It's not the only way, or the you're gonna have two retaining screws here. Sometimes they can be Phillips, sometimes they can be other things. But like all this stuff will, for the most part, snatch out of here once everything's kind of loosened and undone, and you won't break this this bulb. If it's not loose enough, you just go a little bit looser and then kind of get everything rotating, and there you go. So, and then you just, well, I must have a DVD player on the front. Yeah, that's what's holding us up. I mean, not a so what you want to make sure you do get is the degaussing cable in here. Sometimes, like in this one, it's going to go up under one of the brackets. Sometimes it's aluminum, sometimes it's copper. In this case, it is copper. So we do want it. And I just cut it and then snatch it through. Now this is what they're going to say has the power to it. I've been shocked once. I would say it didn't feel good, but it wasn't terrible. If we didn't have a board on this one, I would take the whole board and everything out of it. It's going to go as a low grade board. But once you get it to that part, you can pull some of this copper off. If I could have took the all, it's probably like some screws or on the front side, but that's all copper. The degaussing cable's copper. And then what you want to do after that, your screws are still intact. make sure it kind of goes right back over how you had it. And you don't got to get all 4 of them in, but you know, it's good. And just screw them back down. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. Stuff's going to the scrapyard. And what you just did now is made it a complete package again. So you got your goodies on the inside out. Minus the board. I mean, low grade boards aren't really that much anyway. So, I mean, it is what it is. All right, let's get on down the road. We can sit here and stare at this stuff all day. I think that's the first time I ever broke one down on the channel. Sometimes they do have those, I guess it's 6mm or 8mm. I don't have one of those on me, so I normally pass up on those or take them home with me. I got all that stuff at the house. I'm gonna do one quick walk around, then we'll hit the road again. And let's look in here real quick. Yeah, one quick walk around. All right. 1 second. We are starting to get a little bit of daylight out here, which is par for the course. Got a vacuum. No, on those TVs, like the reason that I don't really pay much attention to the capacitor having power is because a lot of them are so dated now that they haven't been turned on in years. Still be careful. I mean, I'm not telling you not to be careful, because as soon as I do that, then you're gonna get shocked. Wear gloves when you're working with them. That should be just the common thing when you're doing scrap in the first place. Wear gloves, even if it's the fingertip ones. Protection is never a terrible thing. So just kind of elaborating to that. And on top of that too, I know some of you are gonna be like, well, you should have got the board out of it. The board at best, I mean, I could have stuck it in the filing cabinet, got 8.5 cents for it. That's true. But, and I could have pulled some nuggets, like some of the copper and stuff on there. The copper is going to go as number 2. Same for this one. It's it comes into the factor of how long would it take me to finish taking. I could have just wiggled it back and forth and broke it too, I guess. Just thinking. But now we're going to continue, see what else is out here. I want to load the trailer. Back of the truck wouldn't be bad too, I guess. Woofda. This one is falling to pieces. Like, really good. I mean, we want it because we got room for it. That's my insurance guy. That's his truck. This is where he lives. Sorry. Just making observations. I guess we're just gonna put it right there and just strap it down. I mean, there's not a lot we can do with it really, because it has seen a little bit better days. Right here is as good as any. We still got the door over there to go grab too, so see if we can roll it. Let's check it first. That's a heavy little one. That one's got more weight than it looks, by the way. Okay. If it was stainless, that would be convenient. Let's give it a check. Use it as a shield. Nope. All right, we're gonna put it right here, strap it, and kind of just keep going with the whole strapping thing. Just, you know, foreshadowing, if you will. I guess y'all can join me with it. It came unlatched over there. Good for you. That's what we want. Feed it through here. Drop it over there. Looks good. As long as it don't come undone again. And tight. Oh, ain't that something? See, I didn't get all flustered while y'all watching me. I'm like, why isn't this ratchet? No, because it's backwards. And then I hit y'all's head. See? Tight. That's all it is to it. Nothing real special. I don't like how that is. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. There. I kind of showed y'all how I strap something down. Had to consolidate just a smidge. We're going to put this grill right there. Chick-fil-A cup. We do got a bag here. Got some type of net of sorts, maybe a volleyball. Oh. Okay. This one's also saying, someone said Father's Day. I forgot completely about Father's Day coming up, by the way. Let's fold down, yeah. Works. More compact. Alright, come on. Work with me here. Why sometimes the smaller grill is actually heavier than the bigger grills that you find. I mean, I'm thankful for it. More weight, less room. Nothing to really check for stainless on this one. Ooh. Yeah, that'll work. We're gonna move strap up to this point. We'll strap across here now. All right, we're getting a load. I seen a microwave down here too, by the way. I went by it, so I was gonna grab it on the way out. So yeah. Okay. No vacuum. I don't need to strap you down. You can be free. All right, well, as y'all can see, nothing special. Microwave. It's one of the heavier style ones, but you know, thing's gone. These are a lot heavier than your standard sit on top of the counter one. I hear the trash truck. I did tie the bag up over there with the Chick-fil-A cup, just if y'all are wondering. Some sinkage. Let's see if it's the plastic or the, no, it's the good stuff. It's the good stuff. So I've picked up a few of these lately that are not so great, but they're plastic. I didn't even know they made them plastic until here recently, so you know, that is a thing. I'm gonna have to go get some pliers. Do I got any pliers? Let's see if I got a set of pliers. No, I got a good set. Okay. These are actually stainless, for those that's wondering. So you want your stainless bin bucket, place in the yard, wherever you put your stainless at, it all works. See, like this is plastic. See, like you just don't know anymore. And then the inside of this could be plastic. I seen that happen too the other day. Nope. See, plastic. Wow. That's brass, but so I mean, you'd get dirty brass for it, I guess. That's plastic, so yeah. I mean, I think this is brass. No, it's not. Kind of depressing because it just shows kind of how cheap things are coming. You know, we still continue, right? It's probably why it's been sitting here. I've seen some remnants of us. Well, I say that, and then they got some. No, it's still on the glass pretty good. Yeah, I've seen some remnants of a scrapper here recently, so we'll see. I mean, we'll still get dirty brass out of that, so it's not all lost. Got a light and we got a sink. The good news about this sink is that's metal, so we'll we have that going for us. And this is an older one anyway, so I don't see why this one wouldn't be the good stuff. I say older, but you know what I mean. I really do like these pliers. Cobalt, the Magnum grips, man, they make things easy for real. Yep. And ooh, these are even loose, man. Sometimes these things can be so tight. Now watch, I hit do the rust part or the corrosion part. Yep. Called it. All right, now you gotta come off. Sorry. No, it's on there, yeah. Like, you know something? Nope, that's heavy. Let's get it like this. So we can see what we're doing. It is stuck like Chuck. right, now. We're gonna win. You're gonna lose. The corrosion. I watch this one come off easy. Yeah, this one's gonna be just fine. That's how the cookie crumbles. We're about there anyway. Let's finish it out. There we go. You can feel it when it gets to that point to where it's gonna give up. Please. All right, that's our faucet. Maybe it's brass. That's nasty. The rest go on the trailer. Ooh. God, those are heavy. All right. Look, that's plastic too. On the inside, it's brass at least. It's definitely something these days, isn't it? Let's get the light taken care of. Go find some more goodies. Ants. Oh, take. Love remodels. Sometimes you can get real lucky and like find all the goodies. All right, good stop, good stop, good stuff, good stuff. Oh, we didn't do it, but I'll pick it up. Are you connected? Yeah, you're connected. All right. Out bigs this morning, and we're starting to kind of get into the smalls. Granted, the sink was not small. It had some weight to it. But we got us a chair, simple enough. We're gonna find at least one of these, I believe. Every time we go out, it's just feels like it's inevitable. And we got some little cubby holes that we can stick things in, so it's good to find the smalls too. And we still got like a good bit of real estate still, so maybe we can find a few more big things. About went past this chair. They got it kind of hid a little bit, I think. I gotta get the cutters and cut that. Got anything else? Yeah, the only thing I gotta do is cut that one. Grab the chair. Where can you go? Right here. I'm gonna get the snips, cut that, and then we'll continue on our route. Got us a chair, got us a box. Somebody said those are actually good for resale. We actually got a lot of these around here. I don't really know why they're good for resale, but I don't know. Maybe somebody will get a use out of them. Not for me. Got some aluminum, and we got a shop vac. Don't know if shop vac works, but something tells me they. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll give her a shot. We'll give her a test. Back of the truck's filling up. Never gonna have too many shop vacs, right? I think we're good. I think we're good. Oh, thank everyone for the comments on the air conditioning thing. Like, it's I don't know if it's gonna help with 100-degree weather anyway, but you know, who knows, right? We got some dilapidated wicker here, which is, as y'all can see, lined with metal everywhere. For the support wise, we are committing a lot of the real estate of what we have left, which is it is what it is. We'll make do. That don't smell great neither. But we got 2 chairs. I mean, they're all kind of to that point. The big one is to that point, but we'll start with the small ones and we'll try to stack the big one on top. May have to kind of restrap stuff. They're not. Yeah, it's a lamp. And like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted about the power issue that we were having. I'm gonna have to start charging it in between pickups and stuff. So well, that's glass, that's broke. But no, we did commit a lot to the wicker, but our route is probably about half a neighborhood and we're done, so that's fine. There it is. It's been a good day though. I don't think we're as full as we was yesterday. I'm going to tear down those 2 at one point. All right, so this is the load. The microwaves are tore down. I went ahead and did that. The fans dealt with, and went ahead and pulled the strap off. We're a few minutes from the yard, not too far, so shouldn't be too bad. I don't think we got as much as we had yesterday. We had like 700 and some odd pounds. This is probably like a 6.5, somewhere around in that range. We got good weight up front with the 2 grills, the water heater, the filing cabinets. I mean, it's got weight. It's hard to say, really, isn't it? Like, the small grills actually have pretty good weight to them. So I'm thinking 500-600 pounds on today. Don't know until we go see, right? So we're gonna be heading that way, and maybe I can record that today. We'll see. Well, I figured we'd end the video here at this beautiful park that we have. We did miss a straggler. Nothing too special. So, you remember when I was telling you I was thinking it was like 500-600 pounds-ish? I did not think that we had more. I was wrong. So, this was yesterday's receipt. As y'all can see, 6/14/22 at 9:15 is when I did this load. We had 720 pounds, $8.50. I was enjoying a frappe. It was great. $61.20. Well, today, which is 6/15, we had 720 pounds. Sounds familiar, right? $8.50 a pound, $61.20. So in those 2 days, we've got the same amount of weight. It's strange, I guess, but all in all, it's what can you say? We did well, had fun, made a little cash. Definitely pay for the gas in it, and I am getting a pretty nice collection of stuff in the back of the truck that I kind of have to dig through and kind of get it separated. But I normally save that for a day that I'm not like going out. I try to do 3 to 5 videos a week, and now that we're in the summer, I'm trying to get one done every week. So I may try to figure out a way to record me kind of just going through the junk on the back, and kind of taking some of the stuff apart and so on and so forth, and use that as one of the videos of the week. That is a thought. I mean, it's not like it's anything special. It's just cords and aluminum and some motors. I mean, yeah, but I digress. I do plan on hitting it again tomorrow, unless the Lord changes how things are in between here and now. But I do hope you enjoyed it. We did well today. We are destined to have a bad day, I do believe, at some point, however. So, you know, it's just one of those things, right? You don't know what's out there. You don't. Sometimes you get lucky on the dig pile. Sometimes you find nothing in the dig pile. Sometimes you find dig piles. Sometimes you find the bigger items or the smaller items. And I don't want someone to get the wrong impression that this is a guaranteed payday. It's not. You got gas and you got fuel. We probably used, I think I used 45 miles today. So we used 2 to 3 gallons of gas. We'll say $5 just to be conservative because it's the national average. It's $15 of this, 61 gone. But not bad in the grand scheme of things. We did not spend a lot of our time to do it, and I'm done by lunch. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock, somewhere around in there. I get out early, but I digress. I do hope you enjoyed it. Hey, stay cool, you know, and for those that's actually in the winter, stay warm. You do you. And I do hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And goodbye.